So you know that cute hairstyle that girls do where their hair is like slicked back into a bun and the little piece of hair sticking out? So yeah, I tried it. So basically I used a rat tail comb to make a middle part. I'm using some Eco Gel for my hair. I'm using this brush to help smooth and put everything together. Then I am going to put it in a ponytail, but I'm going to also use another brush that I like to use because it helps take out any knots in the back because I hate when the back is lumpy. So that's the brush that I'm using next. And I'm just brushing the back because I tend to have lumps in the back when I do a ponytail and I hate that because I want it to look really smooth. So I'm just fixing it, then I'm putting it in a ponytail. After this, what you're going to do is you're going to smooth everything out with a smoothing brush. I love this brush. It's so good and it helps keep down all those little flyaways. Then you're going to take a little piece of hair out like I did, and you're going to put the rest of your hair in a bun, however you like to do your bun or whatever it is. I have very thick hair, so I couldn't just do a bun and leave hair sticking out because then it would be too much hair sticking out. So I left a little piece of hair sticking out because what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to put bobby pins to hold it in place. So I have my bun, I'm wrapping it with an elastic. Then what I'm going to do with the little piece of hair, I'm going to wrap it around, and then I am going to use bobby pins to hold it in place. So it's going to look like it came out of my hair and I just did my bun naturally that way. But this was the easiest way for me to do it, especially with thick, long hair. If I did it any other way, it looked crazy. So yeah, but I put the bobby pins in. I'm going to be using hairspray just to kind of keep everything together. This is the back of it. That's how it looks. Now I'm putting hairspray. I left the two little pieces out on the side because my sideburns are long. And then I am just flattening everything to make sure it's good. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.